In the triangle ABC, AB is equal to 20, AC is equal to 20 and BC is equal to 30. So first of all, to answer any such question, the first step is to draw an appropriate figure. So here, let's quickly draw the figure. Let's assume we have this triangle ABC over here, and ABAC are given 20 each, so it's an isosceles triangle, and the BC is equal to 30 centimeters. Now the moment we see that it's an isosceles triangle, one thing that we can do is we can simply drop a perpendicular, bisect this BC into two equal halves so that we have two right angle triangles. But I'm not sure whether it's going to be quite useful or not because I haven't read the question further. What is the length of perpendicular from point B on AC? So now let's drop a perpendicular from point B on AC. What we have to do is we have to just quickly think that is there any property that we can think of which utilizes this perpendicular, and let's call this point D and let's call this point E. So we have to think, is BD the part of any particular property of the triangles? Then the answer is that if we look at the area of triangle ABC, then we can say that the area of the triangle is half of AC multiplied by BD, and there we have BD coming into the picture. But the same area can also be calculated if we say that it is half of BC multiplied by AE, where BC we already know and AE we can definitely calculate, because if we drop a perpendicular, the space will be divided into two equal parts and the length of AE can be calculated using the Pythagoras theorem, which is 20 square minus 15 square. So length of AE becomes equal to 400 minus 225. So AE is equal to square root of 175. That means square root of 25 into 7. So we get AE is equal to 5 square root of 7. Now we are simply going to equate the two parts. That means half of AC. Now AC has length 20 times BD is what we have to calculate. This should be equal to half of BC. BC has length 30, while AE, which is perpendicular, has been calculated here, which has length 5 square root of 7. Now we substitute all the values, start simplifying the question, 0 cancels out. So we have BD is equal to 5 into 3, 15 divided by this 2 times root 7. So we can say it is 7.5 root 7, which we can see is available as option C. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the learning.